Hi, I'm Nick Swayze with Keystone RV, and I'm the product manager for our Bullet division. Today we're standing inside a brand new Premier floor plan. The floor plan is called a 34 RIPR, and as you can see in the rear of this floor plan, we have a great living room setup. You have a lot of large windows for natural sunlight, as well as a good viewing of your campsite. You'll also notice we have a 68-inch theater seat here with two seating areas that both fully recline directly across from this beautiful entertainment center that has a 42-inch TV that can swivel in any direction and even extends. You'll also notice this nice attractive accent lighting behind the cabinet glass. In the rear, you'll have a 68-inch trifold sofa with two tables on each end, as well as an outlet for charging electronics. Moving into the kitchen, you'll find an 8 cubic foot refrigerator, which is standard in every Premier, where a lot of the competition is using a 6 cubic foot, which just enables you to bring more food with you when you're camping. You also notice these countertops are LG True Solid Surface, not a membrane press countertop like a lot of the competition is using. These are the same material all the way through and easy to repair. You'll also see this deep single basin stainless steel sink with a cutting board cover that fits right in place. You'll also see we have a high-rise stainless steel faucet with a pull-out sprayer. Also in the kitchen, you'll find 5 drawers, which is usually a big complaint from travel trailer owners. They just don't have enough drawer space. So we've added 5 in this floor plan, 3 here in the main kitchen slide, and 2 in the island. You'll also notice we use a flush mount glass cover range. Gives you a little bit of extra countertop space if you're not using the range, as well as a huge double door pantry for storing all your box goods. Walking this direction, you'll see our standard booth dinette. The booth has nice pull-out drawers on each bench seat for blankets, pillows, whatever. And it's on a ball bearing drawer guide that pulls out all the way. A lot of the competition may have some type of drawer, but no drawer guides. So it's just rubbing on the wood, where we actually put the ball bearing drawer guides in every trailer. You can also option every floor plan except for the 19, 22, and 24 with a freestanding dinette and chairs. Walking into the bathroom, you'll find a 32-inch radius shower with glass shower doors, a nice sized lavatory with a medicine cabinet. Obviously you have your toilet here. A lot of nice space in this bathroom. The real gem of this floor plan is the bedroom. This is our first floor plan in the Premier series with a bed slide. So you're going to have a full 60 by 80 queen bed with a lot of nice overhead storage, side windows for cross ventilation, nightstands on each side. And the real unique feature to this floor plan, and really any travel trailer floor plan, is this walk-in closet. As you walk in, you'll find on each side you have a hanging bar to hang clothes, as well as a shelf here for shoes or other clothes you may want to bring along, and a platform here on each side to store larger items, really whatever you want to bring along camping. And it's all finished off with a pocket door on each side. Then at the foot of the bed, you'll see a nice dresser area with some extra storage, as well as a place to mount a TV for your bedroom. We're very proud of this floor plan and think it's a trendsetter for the industry. To see more, go to KeystoneRV.com or visit your local dealer to see one in person. Thanks for watching.